What's up everybody, Dees here. Do you want to know how to make the best ribs in under 35 minutes? Let me show you how. Let me finish this. Let's get started. So what you're gonna need some gloves because we're dealing with some meat. Plus they look cool and all. So we're gonna get our ribs, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna remove the membrane. I like doing it with a knife, just putting it underneath the skin and pulling away with some type of napkin or paper towel. Removing the membrane gives you so much more flavor and it's a secret to actually having some really good ribs. So remember that. Now, get out your bowl. Now we're gonna make our amazing rub. Super simple. Paprika gives you that smoky flavor. Onion powder enhances your flavors. It's so great in all rubs. And garlic is just a kiss. Now cayenne gives you a little bit of smoke and a little bit of heat. Ginger just puts that all together and helps break down the meat. And black pepper gives a little bit of woo. And salt helps add that little coarseness to tenderize the meat. So let's mix it up. Put it on your meat, rub it all over, and rub it on heavy. Now take your Instapot out and make sure you use the trivet accessory. Put it in and then put your ribs right on top. Yeah, now I'm gonna be using 1 cup of water. I'm gonna be pouring that right on top. I'm gonna close up my Instapot, make sure that my seal is completely locked in, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer on manual high pressure for 25 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a slow release for about 5 minutes. Pull out your ribs, put it on a baking pan, and we're gonna go ahead and turn the oven on at 425. Put it in, and then we're gonna pull it out after about 5 minutes, and then put some barbecue sauce right on top, and then put it back in for another 5 minutes. Let's go. Do you want to see more? Hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and all the details for this recipe are in the description.